Here's how to close an FBA listing step by step. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it, follow me, let's get started. This particular item is out of stock. I want to close the listing. I cannot do it from the Manage FBA Inventory page. If you click this drop-down menu, you will not see an option to close or delete the listing. So what I want to do, I want to go to the Manage All Inventory page. To get there, hamburger menu, upper left corner, select that, Inventory, Manage All Inventory. You'll come to this particular page, and then what you want to do is you want to filter down until you find the item that you want to close the listing for. So this one, it's actually have two versions of this particular ASIN. This is the FBA listing, this is the FBM listing. So make sure that you select the right one or you filter to the right one. So this is the one that I want to close the listing for. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click this More Actions icon over here, the three dots, click on that, and then select Close Listing. Do not select Delete Listing. That's a different action, and it may cause problems later on if you ever want to reopen the listing at a future date. So I just want to close the listing. Now, it's giving me an error message right here. Please review the following before closing the listing. So there's a couple things that they're talking about: impact on your offer, FBA SKUs, variation families. None of those apply to me, but this one, SKUs with business price, this did apply to me. And basically, I have a business price for this particular item. I just deleted it, but apparently it hasn't gone through yet. That's why I'm not seeing the close listing option highlighted here. Maybe in about 15 minutes, it will be the business price will be gone, and then I can press the close listing. But basically, that's the process for closing an Amazon FBA listing. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it and follow me, and I'll see you next time.